Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this Wolfang GA400 Action Camera. Right here in the box we have a quick start guide, our user manual, our camera pre-installed into its waterproof housing, and a pretty hefty box of accessories. The neat thing about this camera is that it actually doesn't have to be in its waterproof housing to be waterproof. It has a waterproof rating, just bare metal, just like this. You can attach it to your car or wherever you want to, and you don't have to worry about water or rain up to a certain extent. In our accessory box, we have all of these included accessories in here. Straps and different kinds of mounts, an extra battery. It looks like just about whatever kind of mount you could ever need. It comes with a little remote, band for the remote, and with a USB micro charging cable. Got a couple different Velcro bands, a adjustable standard camera mount, a handlebar mount. Looks like an adapter mount for GoPro style to their style, an adhesive mount with a threaded hole, and this is a connector that attaches to these two mounts that will slide in. An elevated GoPro to two-post mount, and then a horizontal GoPro to two-post mount. This camera uses a mini SD card, and I would recommend getting one rated for 4K video, since this will go up to 4K 60 frames a second. You also have 4K 30 frames a second, 1080p 30 and 1080p 60 as your higher options on here. We'll cut to some video showing the image stabilization and image quality that you get at the 1080p 60 frames a second.